Yo, so that's the electric fan there, the wire, and now I'm just gonna hook this up to somewhere here, this one down here, see if it's a switched ignition spot, so we can wire the electric fans up. Turbo timer goes. There's a little thing coming out of this main harness that just goes to ground, and then that harness goes into this plug, into that plug there. But this cable also has these two cables coming out as well, and that grey one is coming up through there, dodging in there. That's just going into here, I think. Yeah. So maybe that's just hooking into whatever power that is. I don't actually know what that is. Might pull that apart and see what that's connected to. Could be power. And then this other one, that's connected to the harness there. That goes, I've just got it running here all the way, you know, wrapped around there, and then it's into going into here, into that. That's red and blue, red and yellow. And I'm not sure where it goes in there, main wiring harness. Yeah. I think this main one here. So that's the other side of the plug. There, I don't know what that goes to. Don't think it's powered though. Don't know if I have to power that or not. Then that goes down here. It plugs into that. And this is all powered here. Powered. Yeah, dunno. So we got power here. Maybe I'll show you. There we go. Power. So that's going to be powering up here. Going into there. That green one's also power. Power as well. So we got the turbo timer going. What will happen is it'll shut off and then turn back on. Alright guys, so I've got some gauges wired up. So we've got switch power coming from here. I've just run into a fuse. Don't know if that's really necessary, but ran it anyway. And then I got that coming over to here. And I've created like a little distribution hub. Started doing a little bit of tape, but I thought I'd record it before I hide it all away. So that's coming in here. And I got power coming in here to a switch that I've wired up to a fan. Then I got another power going into turbo timer, boost gauge I mean, water temp, oil pressure. So that's all the switched ignition power coming from here. And then I have all the grounds here, just there. And yeah, so bit of jumbled wires, but it's pretty clean. And I'll turn them on for you if you want. Alright, so we'll turn it on the old dodgy way. Nice power. Alright, so this is the light. This is the stock oil pressure sensor. This fits into my 1ASX. As you can see, it's just got a single metal there. So I've wired mine up here with the old female connector. And this is the one that came with the kit. 1/8 MBT thread. No ground. That did not fit because on the Sylvias they're 1/8 DSP, I believe, which is this one. So that just goes up there. That's the oil filter. It just goes in there like that. So I've just taken the radiator cap off, drained the coolant, and then taken this hose, top radiator hose, off. So we got it here. Got our sensor here. It's not important. This was the stock one that the kid whipped out. This one here. Is it yummy? So yeah, now we're gonna chop in the middle, maybe here. Put that bad boy in the middle, and wire it up for water temp.